Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Navionics. First, understand that Garmin Navionics offers comprehensive marine and lake mapping. It integrates detailed content for coastal regions, numerous rivers, bays, and thousands of lakes worldwide. Begin by confirming your chart plotter's compatibility. Then, activate your chart subscription and update your maps using the convenient Navionics boating app on your mobile device. This ensures you have the most current data for your journeys. Garmin Navionics offers two primary chart types, Navionics Plus and Platinum Plus. Navionics Plus provides integrated marine content with crucial details for safe passage. For enhanced visuals, Platinum Plus charts include high-resolution relief shading, satellite imagery, and aerial photos. You can customize your display to highlight shallow areas, adjust contour density for clearer views, and even define specific fishing ranges, giving you precise control over your navigation and fishing experience. Planning your journey is straightforward with Garmin Navionics. You can easily plan routes and mark important waypoints directly on your chart plotter screen. The auto guidance feature can suggest safe and efficient paths, helping you navigate with confidence. Seamlessly sync your planned routes and saved markers between your chart plotter and the Navionics boating app. This integration allows you to access valuable community edits and local information, keeping you well-informed on the water. Maintaining your Garmin Navionics charts is crucial for accurate and safe navigation. Always keep your charts updated using Garmin Express or the Navionics chart installer software. Many charts benefit from frequent updates, sometimes receiving up to 5,000 changes per day for both coastal and inland waters. These regular updates ensure you always have the most current information regarding depths, navigation aids, and potential hazards, enhancing your overall boating safety and experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.